Hey, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Today I'm talking all about closet declutter. My name is Lauren and this is Orderly Conduct. So as you probably have already noticed, in all of my videos, I give an actual list of tips for you to follow and really put into practice in your own home. So today I'm coming at you with some more tips. These are 3 questions for you to ask yourself when disposing of items in your closet. So obviously the first step to decluttering your closet is getting rid of anything that you just don't need. So I have curated 3 questions for you to ask yourself when the next time you face the challenge of should I keep it or should I toss it? So the first question I want you to ask yourself when deciding whether or not you should keep something in your closet is, why am I keeping it? A lot of times we keep things and we don't even know why. We don't even remember that we have it. And then we look at that item again and we have to really ask ourselves, why do I even have this? Is it because I spent a lot of money on it and I'm just afraid to get rid of it? Really be real with yourself and honest. Ask yourself that question. The next question I want you to ask yourself is, does it fit? A lot of times, us as adults really struggle with getting rid of things that just don't fit anymore. This is a really tough one and I totally understand, but you really have to be honest with yourself when it comes to asking yourself this question in particular. We try to keep things hoping that we'll be a certain size again, and the reality of it is keeping that thing is not bringing us any closer to our weight goals. Get rid of it and then renew your closet when you hit that weight goal. The last question I want you to ask yourself is, how long has it been since I've actually worn it? Is this something that you're wearing right now? Is this something that you're wearing, gonna be wearing in the next 6 months or in the next year? Really honestly ask yourself that question. If it's something that you haven't worn in the last decade, toss it, donate it, pass it on to someone that can get better use of it. Now, I want you to stay tuned for more tips on how I personally organize my closet. So now that you have gotten rid of anything that you have deemed unnecessary for your space, I want you to write these next tips down on how to really organize your closet for convenience.